Do you know vegetable names? Oh no! Let's learn in this video how many vegetables are there and how to speak them. Let's start with peas. Next, ladyfinger. I know you all love it. Capsicum. Wow. Next, cauliflower. Next is cabbage. That's nice. Then bottle gourd. Green color. Chili. And next, radish. Next again, green spinach. Next is jackfruit. And now I have garlic here. Ginger. We love ginger. Pumpkin. Round pumpkin. And colorful brinjal. Purple brinjal. Carrot. Red carrot. And our delicious potato. Yummy. Onion. Do you love onion? And for salad, cucumber and red tomatoes. Bye kids, keep learning.